awkward place for me to be. This is going to sound awful because I don't know where my good microphone is. It's going to look awful because that's just the way that it is. This is my 1978 Piaggio Vespa Ciao. It's neat and it has some problems. I rebuilt it about a year ago for a bunch of rusty parts. It has pretty bad compression, and easy thing to do would be to replace the pistons and the piston and rings, but I don't want to do that. I think I'm going to make it go fast for reasons. It's not the original engine or anything, so it's coral pink. It's not original in any way. So we're gonna have some fun. So when you do the piston and cylinder, you gotta do the carburetor, make sense through the exhaust, and you end up like basically rebuilding the engine anyway because it's so small. So first step, I have a secondhand exhaust. It's a little bit nicer than stock. I have it, so let's put it on. It's gonna have to come off again anyway if I do the cylinder kit or piston and rings. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably make it go fast. So anyway, let's get to it. I'm gonna awkwardly kind of teleport around the frame because I'm doing one camera. This is kind of last minute. So anyway, last minute. I'm gonna hop around. It's gonna look hideous. Only one camera. You're gonna see my crotch a lot, I bet. Here we go. Yeah. All right. This is pretty easy. It's just a couple of well, it's a nut, a bolt, and these things. So let's get to it. Let us begin. I'm also not going to be in focus because why make anything good? All right. So I loosened the exhaust nut, and then this guy here, I needed. It's a 13. This might work. Yeah, good enough. Oh, it's 2. I think this is a bolt too. Right. So I got this Ciao off a guy on Facebook for like $100, and I think I spent about $100 too much. Oh yeah, it's Italian. It's gonna be an 11mm, I think. Yeah. I swear the Italians are like obsessed with doing things just a little bit different. There's a lot of like 7mm nuts and stuff on them, and like 11s. Okay, theoretically, that's loose enough. No? Come on. Ta-da! So behold the mighty exhaust of a Ciao. Stock exhaust. It's there's a lot of crap inside the tailpipe. It's what came with it, and the guy had just like spray painted everything to cover all the rust, which was fine. Like I knew it was gonna be a project, but holy moly. So we're replacing it with Facebook Marketplace's greatest offering, which was the only offering. It's a Jamarcol, aka Jammy. It's like the budget performance exhaust. It's probably gonna sound awful, but it might give me some performance gains. So let's see how this lines up. Oh, well, that was nice. I think this is a 10 mil. 10 mil nut. See, the Portuguese, they know use a 10 millimeter fastener. None of this 7 or 11 business. All right, that's tight. And we'll go. There we go. All right, let's lock it down. I should have done it before and after so we could hear what it sounded like before, but it didn't sound neat before. All right, so normally with these, you turn your kill switch on, give it the gas, hit your choke, and you just do a few pedals, or you ride down the street and it's like good to go. My moped has such bad compression that I have to like really go at it. So it'll be a show. Go. That is much more obnoxious. And hopefully it'll be a better fit if I do go with a bigger cylinder. So anyway, that's that. That's a Jammy on a Ciao. Pretty easy to do an exhaust swap. And that's it.